This is actually kind of heavy. Not gonna lie, it's actually really heavy to pick up. I can't see comments right now because I'm squeezing, but I'll check in one moment. Just chill on me, over. I'm taking sponges out so I can mix it all in here. Just let me know. Holy frick, that one's so thick. What the heck? God, yo, she's thick. Oh my god, I got puzzled. I didn't even know. Thank you. It really is really pretty. It's like teeth. It's giving. Some of these sponges are actually really freaking thick. How many cans did you send for? 2? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, babe. What's for sale is everything that's on my page. I have a posted stash with what's available. Oh, goodness, this is thick. At first I was joking, but it's not joking anymore. Okay, so these sponges are... too bad. I feel like just once like more liquid gets added in here, we'll be fine. But for right now, the squeezes are kind of hard to squeeze. But like, I'm working through that. What'd you say? I didn't see what you said, Danny. Yeah, first we needed powder, now we need liquid. And then we can add all our other sponges back in here. Those bombs though were so freaking good. The fabric softener ones. My mom made seafood boil today. It was so good. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys this story that happened to me a couple days ago. I went to the mall with my family. We went to the Arundel Mills Mall. Some of you guys may know this. It's probably near where you guys live. Some of you guys may not, so If you don't, I'm sorry. But I went to the Arundel Mall, which is in Maryland for me. And it's like a couple hours away from me. This is my first time going with my mom, but I've been there before with friends. So we were just shopping around, and I had bought a Coach bag. They do have a big bottle of it? What the heck? Why do I not know this? Actually, bro, I did not know that. Guys, this color is literally so beautiful. If anyone wants to send me what I'm squeezing right now for another add-in, they can. We should keep going. We gotta keep our add-ins going. Hi, Angie. Hello. I am doing well. How are you, babe? I hope you're doing well. Me and Roman, can you guys be quiet a little bit?
Okay, shut up.
Thank you. Anyone want to send for any liquid? She's stuck again. When we save this, I hope she's watery, because when it's watery, it's really, really easy to save and reuse. When it's like thick, kind of like this, you can't really reuse it very well. You have to like add water to like thin it out a bit. So once we like, it would just go in my mouth. But like, once we save it, I hope she's like watery, like soft scrub texture. Right now. We have a liquid jug. We still have powder. We can do a reaction if anyone wants to send for a reaction. We have 4 pine pinalins left. It's 2 orange and then 2 are pine. We have 8 dish soaps left for 2 each. We have 8 alcohol stills left. My Cash App is clean with me, so it's my username. And then just let me know what you're sending for. It just got on me. Yeah, I love when it does that. I also have a jug of pine pinalin. I paid $16 for it, but if you can send $15 or $17 for it, that'd be fine, or $16, whatever one. Boy. got it. Are you guys saving the alcohol for the rinse? We're almost 4. It smells like pinesol right now, and I adore it. I love this. Thank you so much to everyone who sent. I appreciate you guys. Obviously, we'll save all of this, and if you guys do want to do a rinse, we can, like a fake rinse. And then I'll see if I can maybe take us inside to do a real rinse. $10 for Roma and kids. Okay, thank you so much, babe. Thank you. Okay. Just. This is the large. The small one It is like small. It's like, looking at it, yeah, that's how big it is. We have 9 cans, I would say. Guys, this live has been absolutely, literally incredible with you guys. Thank you guys literally so much. I can't wait for summer. Obviously, our lives are still gonna be the same as I want. I'm gonna try to do a pool live maybe soon. My job down. My pool is like not even pink anymore though, that's the thing. I accidentally left her just like sitting in the sun in the rain, so she's very discolored.